Dirt and tire marks on your turntable tops can tarnish your online showroom's image faster than a sports car's 0 to 60. Regular cleanings are the polish for your turntable, ensuring your vehicles shine in every photograph. Use car exterior-friendly cleaners for spotless results, and don't shy away from a commercial buffer to keep that turntable gleaming. But what's beauty without performance? Keep your turntable spinning smoothly with a dab of all-purpose or red grease on the motor teeth and chain every 6 months. Yearly, give those tracks the same greasy love to ward off corrosion and maintain a seamless operation that'll make your customers' heads turn as smoothly as your displays. And while you're at it, play detective with regular inspections. Listen for lurches or grinds that hint at damage beneath the surface. Catching rust, bent tracks, or broken wheels early can save you from a turntable tragedy. In the end, love your turntable with the right care, and it will love you back, spinning your sales into success. Discover more with Easy 360 and transform your dealership today. Contact us and let's rev up your showroom experience.